Hi guys! Kamusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pala kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyo kalimutan na mag-subscribe at si tiny bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron ako mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react nga ako guys dito sa cover song ni Miss Lilette. And kinanta niya dito yung You Should Know By Now by Angela Bofill. And sobrang excited ako guys na mapanood to. Kaya play na natin to without further ado. Let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Tara, play na natin. So here we go.
You ought to know by now.
Wow, ang ganda ng boses.
Love is the look in my eye. Love in the way you smile when I say I wish you would stay. You bring out all the youth in me.
Grabe ang linis ang boses niya.
And all the truth in me out of love. You should know by now.
Okay, gasong.
Haven't you felt by now just what it's like to be loved? Knowing that sudden touch when you're sure time won't give you more. You bring out all the best in me. I wanna hold you till you feel the need somehow. You should know by now. If I could just find the words, I wouldn't be left so lonely. You were my only, then I'd show you how. Every move as smooth as silk. Say you will stay, you will.
Galing. Ang ganda ng boses ni Miss Lilette, no? Sobrang napakalamig ng boses niya. Ang sarap-sarap pakinggan. Tapos, yung diction sobrang clear. At may emosyon pag kumakanta siya. Napaka-angelic ng kanyang boses.